So I created a prototype USB charger for the Type 1. It's this unit that holds modules. I 3D printed it. This unit that's 3D printed uses this step-down converter, or this converter. You're able to, I'll put a link below to the unit. It's got with two USB outlets. It's got a positive and a negative. I went ahead and purchased this inline fuse. I soldered it and I went ahead and heat shrunk it. So it's for a do-it-yourself guy, and this is a negative. These parts obviously go in together with this, and it gets inserted into this. And I'll give you the links for the converter that has the dual USBs on there, and you'll run those through the wires underneath the fixture here. This will screw down. You'll drill a hole in your own box, your ashtray box. You'll stick a grommet on there, and then you'll run the wires through, and then you're going to want to splice the wires and have your whatever type of fuse you want. You could have the box type fuse, or this is an inline fuse, and then this will go ahead and be screwed on to the ashtray box for the ground. The amp is a 1.5 amp. All the parts you need to build this are linked below, and go ahead and check it out. Share my links, share my my store, my eBay store, because you know, I got the t-shirts there. The t-shirts are now a heavy-duty anvil, so they'll last a lot longer. And thanks for looking. If you like it, like I said, give it a thumbs up, share, and definitely download it yourself. But please share, and thank you. Thumbs up, and go ahead and please subscribe. I'm going to go ahead and more cool stuff to use shortly. Thanks.